Success isn't a car. It isn't a number. It isn't applause. Earl Nightingale gave us the truth. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal. Not a rival. Not perfection, just steady, focused becoming. So if you're showing up, growing, building something that matters, you're already successful. You don't need to have it all. You just need to be moving toward it, day by day, with intention and belief. That's the difference. The successful aren't always the loudest. They're the ones walking with purpose. Even when no one claps, you are successful. Just keep going. Earl Nightingale.